How to convert PDF to Word file in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. At the left side, click on Open. After you click on Open, click on Browse. After you have clicked on Browse, simply select the PDF file and then press on Open. After you have done that, press on OK. After that, you will find PDF file turned into Word. You can also edit it in Word. And this is how to convert PDF to Word file in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.